Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely stunning Aprilia Tuono 1100 factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. This is a 2017 bike on a 17 plate with just 9,364 miles, one owner from new and a full service history on mileage. This bike is in excellent condition and is in the traditional Aprilia factory colours of the red, silver and black. Absolutely stunning bike. Single seat conversion, as you can see, with the tail tidy. Standard exhaust on this one. Those orange wheels are unmarked, no dings, dents, scratches, scrapes or otherwise. The tyre on the back there, loads of life left in that one. This being the factory, of course, you get the Ohlins suspension, front and rear. There's no damage to the engine cases, as you can see there. You've got the R&G frame protector there as well. Petrol tank is unmarked, no rips or tears in the seat. And the rear seat unit again, no chips, scratches or otherwise. No scrapes or scratches on the bar ends, mirrors, or the levers. The levers themselves are the short alley versions. Quite a nice little addition. All your bodywork there, absolutely superb. And that front wheel again looking stunning in the orange with no scrapes, scratches, dings or dents. And the front forks are in excellent order as well. No stone chips or anything on the front mudguard there. Likewise, the front of the bike's in great condition. A couple of very, very small just marks from the road, unfortunately, but no significant damage. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one as well, and there's that left-hand Ohlins suspension stanchion, which is unmarked, just like the left-hand side of the wheel. In fact, the left-hand side of the bike, that is as clean and tidy as the right, as you can see there, with no scrapes or scratches on the mirror, bar end or lever on this side. All your bodywork on this side again, absolutely superb, and no marks on the engine casings. There's that R&G protector there again. Of course, this bike does have the Autoblipper, quick shifter, traction control, launch control, wheelie control, you name it, it's got it. Race ABS. It's basically a naked superbike, this thing. 175 horsepower, goes like a stabbed rat. No scratches, dings, dents in the petrol tank. Digital dash there, and there's all your controls. It's an absolutely stunning bike. If you're after a super naked, they don't get much more super than this one. This is an absolutely stonking motorcycle, and if you're after a super naked, look no further than this Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. These Aprilia V4 sound absolutely amazing. Let's fire this one up and have a listen. Superb. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.